translation.
All right. I'm going to the video right now.
What's the question? Hello, John.
Yep. Hey, give me a sec. I'm gonna call you right back. I think there might be something wrong with the Hangouts call. Give me 1 second. Oh, I can hear you now. Oh wait, no, that's the video. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, hello.
Hello.
There we go.
Hello. I add some volume to my mic, and I hope this video will be more nicely. Okay, what's your question about what to develop site?
All right, so one thing I'm working on right now. So if you go to the TT repository, like the page for it, that I sent you, johndevops.github.io/tt, you'll
Uh,
see the repository I'm working on at the moment. Um, so you'll see if you go to the drop down menu of the nav bar, the navigation bar, if you click on, for example, community, um, you'll see that the drop down does not actually have any it has like no color to it. I want to add some color to that so that I guess it's like the same color as maybe the navigation bar, which the navigation bar has the
to
oh,
slow,
actually this
slow,
isn't
a
even
little
updated.
bit slowly. So you want to have a drop-down menu background the same as navigation menu.
Wait, Mac, hold on. Give me 1 second because I actually have an updated repository. I'm gonna upload. Let's see. I have to update the CSS in the in the index file right quick. Let's go. So I'm gonna go to GitHub because it's the current repo is actually on my local computer. It's on my local machine at the moment. So I'm opening up GitHub and I'm going to the TT repository so I can update that file for you. Yeah, I haven't been updating it too much online, but offline I've been working on it like every day. That's
Do
why it's so important
you use
to
GitHub
get.
push pull command line? Hello.
Oh, I'm here.
Uh, did you use GitHub push pull command line?
No, I don't know how to use the command line. I know how to use the user interface for GitHub though. I really would
Okay.
like to learn the Git. That'd be awesome. I'm gonna learn it soon.
What
One day.
tool do you use for Git?
I use GitHub.
GitHub web page?
Um, yes.
I hear about GitKow or TK or Git or Tutorials Git or maybe Tutorials HG for Mercurial. It's a beautiful tool. Tutorials HG, and you can use it for git pull or git oh no git pull to make your repository from whole your system. Okay,
Well, you
if
said you'd
you
make a repository for what?
on your operation system you can use so
Oh,
many repository, and with tool you can uh,
what are those tools
have
again?
deal with it with tutorials SG. If you use Mercurial, I think
Oh, Mercurial?
tutorials Git
Oh, good. Right.
also download.
I updated like a bunch of files and I don't know which files I updated. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just make a new repo right quick.
I clean my cache on my browser, reload page, and the page is the same as you see before. Do you make change on GH page branch 7 commits 30 July? I can see you. I can see changes on your repository. I sure you download file. Hello.
Alright, go hard, nigga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you upload your files? I see only 9 days ago upload.
I wonder, is there a way that I can send you? I guess GitHub would be the best way, so that's what I'm going to use.
John DevOps GitHub IO TT. John DevOps TT repository.
Upload some of these files right quick. Oh, I gotta make sure I don't upload them to the master, and then I upload them to the GitHub pages branch. So I gotta make the GitHub pages branch. set that to master. Branches. Set that to master. Okay. Update. Now let's upload these files to GitHub Pages branch.
So while you upload the files, I just clone John
Hold on, I'm
DevOps
making a
TT
new
repository
repository.
on local.
Mac, I'm making a new repository. The new repository is called W3 repo for John DevOps. Sorry about that, man. But yeah, I
Uh,
figured because I didn't know which files I changed, I might as well just make a new repo with like all the current files updated already.
John DevOps
Hold on, but
repositories
I haven't
v3 repo.
yes, but I
Okay,
haven't uploaded the files to that repo yet. I'm doing that right now. So it's currently like a blank repo, probably with just GitHub Pages branch, like a README and a MIT license.
I use command line to download it to my local.
Okay. Alright, so
Git clone. Okay, I clone it.
I'm uploading 28 files right now. I think with GitHub you can only upload a maximum of about 100 files at the same time, which is a little inconvenient, but it's okay.
No,
Upload
why
these
did
files.
you use repository and make git init and or git clone your repository and git push pull to download to GitHub from
No,
command line or from your editor or like VS Code.
I need to get VS Code and I need to learn how to use it. I've been using Atom for the longest time.
Atom git atom git atom git plus packages. You can use command on your atom to fetch all status art files, make commits, make push pull, and you can use key building to make and create and make deal with Git from Atom.
Sorry, my Hangouts call disconnected us. It's funny, I heard you talking on the YouTube video. That's the only way I knew that the Hangouts call was disconnected because I got the phone right here on my shoulder. So, but yeah, I'm uploading the last 58 files right now. It should probably take about 60 seconds or so to fully upload, but
Oh,
just
I
about there.
see, I see.
Oh, now let me
I
go
ask
and
you about GitHub Plus, Git Plus package for Atom.
you said what now?
Git Plus package for editor Atom
Git
to
class image,
Git Plus package.
Git class package,
Plus, Git Plus.
Git plus package. That's what I thought you said. Git plus package. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Git plus package. What is that? Is that like a? Oh, that's a package for Atom. Okay, let me check it out.
I sent a link to this package. And I
Okay.
see now for on my desktop on my browser I now can see.
W3 repo is it should have all the let me check to see if it's fully updated.
Update it,
Whoa, what is this?
and I git pull
Hey, what
and
is a
download.
JSON package? Do you know? Can I ask you that, Matt?
Hello,
Hello, Matt. Can you hear me?
hear you,
You can hear me?
hear you.
Okay. In the repo, what is a JSON package? Like if it says package.json, what are JSON files for?
Go to GS folder, and I
Can you
can
hear me?
see agency, contact, and JQ bootstrap validation files. GS.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, what's this JSON file in here for?
Mm, a little slowly.
The JSON file. It says package-lock.json.
Package JSON is about packages you installed and should install to deal with your files.
I wanna should I delete that because it says that it found a potential security vulnerability in one of your dependencies.
It may be about gulp 3.9.1. Do you
Hmm.
install some npm packages to your project,
Hmm. You think I should delete that
like
though?
gulp?
Or sh
Start bootstrap.
Alright, so all the files are now uploaded to W3 repo. Um, and I'm contemplating deleting package lock.json. Okay, so hello,
Hello.
I'm here. So I'm in the text editor now, and or actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link to this page.
I see John DevOps GitHub IO v3 repo. And what question about this?
Hello?
Oh, what's your question about this page?
Okay, so one thing that I really would like to get done is I want to figure out how to, um, so if you click on the community drop down link, there's you'll see that all of the like all the background of that is white. Like if you click on the community in the navigation bar.
Okay, I see white link and light gray if I
You see how the background color is
hover
all
link.
white? I want to change that background color to like maybe like the same color as the navigation bar. Um,
No. Where is drop down link on your CSS or ICSS?
okay.
Inspect, inspect, and div class drop down
Let's see.
menu. Now bar is CSS line
Okay, I'm in the navigation bar.
74 and background. You can use development tools to get access to elements and change. You can see it on video,
I can see it. Oh man, nice.
and you can see where you can make changes on your file. For example, no bar is about no underscore no bar is CSS, and go to editor SCSS. Where is no bar? No bar is CSS. Main navigation. No bar. No link. Media. Oh, where is it?
I think it's in agency. No,
Do
I think it's in
you
either
use
agency.
SAS SCSS or you write mm, vanilla CSS?
Yeah, I think it's just pure CSS.
Pure CSS. So I think you should delete map.
I should delete what?
SCSS and again mean CSS. Oh, where is map?
I think CSS is the only thing being linked to in the index file. I think the SCSS is not being linked to.
Or do not link to SSS, and you do not use any Node.js npm gulp and any css extensions to make your css. And where is map? I can see fonts again, see min css. Why you use min css? And this file not minified. Okay, I don't don't understand where is map file or map to link to this, and in your CSS you can add now drop down menu and add background you want, and you can figure out where drop down menu or just drop down menu and add background to your drop down menu. Background.
What is that? What file is that?
In your file CSS.
Okay. Nice.
Where you why you use mean CSS instead of just CSS?
Well, actually, this is more of a template. I got the template from Start Bootstrap. If you look in the README, there's I got that's where I got the what's it called, the template from, and then I've just been editing the Bootstrap template because I liked how it just looked good to me. I liked how it popped out and everything like that.
Do you know that mean CSS are used for minification version of CSS? And
if you look in the head of the index file, I believe, let me check right quick, see which link, which CSS is linked to it.
you can change
Yeah, so
to
CSS
just against
agency dot,
CSS.
if you look in the agency.min.css,
You can cut mean CSS and for development use against CSS. Then for production you can minify your CSS file
wait, hold
from.
on. Are we on the same? I don't know. Are we on the same thing? Why does yours say agency.css? Oh, because I'm on a different thing. Excuse me. I'm on.
I just
Wait.
cut mean CSS.
Yeah, you're in the perfect position. Thanks, dude.
You can cut it and use CSS file for development, then go to mean CSS.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. It still should say
CSS
agency.min.css.
minifier and minify your CSS file and then download it as minified. For minify, it cut spaces, tabs, and other prettified symbols and just symbols. No, it will be just one string, one line of code for better download for performance, download performance, but for development you should use CSS file, and I think you should replace or move from mean CSS to regular CSS.
Hello?
Uh,
Hello?
I can hear
Like,
you.
are you okay? I can hear you. I
So
told you my Hangouts
you
keep cutting
can
out. Hmm. Hangouts, man. What's up? All right, so I see the custom styles for this template. I was been working in there for the last while now. Okay. All right. Also, one other thing. If you go down to the about section, um, on the page, yeah, and if you like go like full screen,
about us.
like if you look at it in, well, no, I guess not in this section. Actually, yeah, this is the wrong section I'm in. So I'm gonna go to the right section, and there I go. Cause I have like three different things open. All right. So do you notice how like it's kind of off center? I don't know how to get it like on center, like the image and like on center with the about us part. Let me see something real quick. Maybe if I just
Fire image. Team member. Fire image.
yeah, it seems to be the image. It's like off center.
You have one column left, and I think if you delete it,
Um, hey Mac,
okay,
Mac, can you hear me?
hear you.
All right, hey, go to in the message I sent you on Facebook, go to the one that says Felipe Riviero 99 and go to that link and you'll see his about section, and I don't know if like you can kind of get it to work by just looking at his about section um of his page.
About my profile.
Go up. Yeah, there you go. There it is. Also, do you see how his navigation, how the navigation bar,
Uh,
it's like every
did you see on Philip page uh, call sm4 div and then call sm4 div with
Mhm.
image and third call sm4 div again.
So what is that doing?
In your page I can see call sm4, but your team member not inside call sm4.
Hmm.
Edit.
Hmm.
Call sm4. if you wrap your team member on div class with class called sm4, uh, your file will be on center. I think Bootstrap has classes for center element. Contents. You can wrap your team member or on div class called sm4 or on div class called sm12 and then delete call div before, and it will be one big div for your image, and then this image will be on center or wrap on column for div, and it also be on center, as you can see now.
Okay. Oh, so it's on center now. Nice, man.
So I can delete this element, and now write call sm12. It one big 12 column div, and your team member on center.
Oh man, beautiful. Dude, that's perfect.
So you have couple way to do it.
Okay, I have one more thing. Um, where is it? So, now the other link to the creative Tim get shit done component page URL that I sent you. I think it's like the third, the one that says for the footer.
Okay.
I want to figure out how to make my footer like look like that footer, or like copy and paste that footer into my page or something like that. Yeah, that footer right there. It's beautiful.
What do you want from this footer to yours?
The entire
Background?
footer, just the color, the the text, the little heart, really just the background, and I guess I could put the text in there
This
myself.
background I think is linear gradient, and color behind this gradient. This guy make a footer from background image and make cover image. Oh, not
Hmm.
this. No.
So,
Footer.
oh, that's an image and it's blurred. I thought it was a blurred image. Oh, and it's that blurred image.
Container. No, you can use. Where is the footer? Where's the footer? Oh, your footer. Your footer. Increase padding. You can use background image and linear gradient. Direction to right. From color color picture color picture. Brown, dark brown. Dark brown to dark gray, dye green. No, why not?
Mac, you said you don't. You say English isn't your first language. It's funny because you speak better English than a lot of English speaking people.
No, you can use linear gradient and make gradient you want. You can see now.
Oh, dude, that's beautiful.
No, one line on couple line, couple line. You should couple line. Uh, Background repeat because it is background image, so you should use background repeat, no repeat, or repeat y if you want to
Oh,
if you want to have background like this on like big screen or creative team footer. You can use background size, pixels, and auto and repeat x. Three lines of code on your CSS and you get footer like you want, and
Man, you're a
you can
professional, Matt.
choose or what color you want on color picker with development tools. More
Oh, sweet, man. All right, let's change that text to copyright 2000. Let's like do the
no,
exact same way. Like let's take the exact same words that are in the Creative Tim. Um,
you can
can we
type
make it like
this
the same
text
kind of
and
color?
then choose color you want and then copy and paste on your editor and then download or git commit, git push on your repo.
Oh, but yeah. Do you think we can get it to that exact same color as the blurred image? Is that possible?
Same color with what image?
The blurred Creative Tim image.
I think
Because you notice it's not really a color, but more of like a blurred image, you know, that's kind of thing. See? But that's cool, man. I didn't know that about the colors. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, man. I got so much to learn about CSS, and it's so exciting.
I can see where is this image. Oh, maybe it no footer.
So after we get this set up, it's
Oh,
going to be so exciting
do
because
do
now I
you
can
see
finally start working.
they use footer image and overlay RGBA.
Yeah, I see it.
footer, background image, and then overlayer class. And overlay class has background color RGBA 2727 0.7. Without this you can see image, and with this it more darken. You can change any image you want on Photoshop or GIMP, and just download your image on footer. So you can choose two way to do it, the image or just linear gradient, or you can use image and gradient with RGBA colors to make some gradient overlay over your image, and I think it will be more interesting footer than
Okay.
creative team.
Yeah, sorry, my hangouts kept going in and out, but I caught that. Nice, dude.
I like simple linear gradient or repeated gradient. It looks interesting too.
Is that the one that's up on the screen right now? Is that the a linear gradient?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look nice, but the thing is, it's not gonna go with the color scheme. The reason is the color scheme is more of a yellowish, um, orangish color scheme at the moment.
You can choose colors and gradient you want. Yellow, yellow, yellow color scheme.
You know, that is nice though. But do you think it's gonna go with the footer, with the header, with the navigation bar?
Navigation bar, you can choose any color you
Well, no,
want
no,
on
I
your.
don't want to change the nav. I'm saying, do you think the footer is gonna look like the navigation bar? Like it's gonna match it, complement it.
You know what color you use, and you can choose these colors and
Yeah, I like that
set.
color.
What's color?
Do you think we can try you can put the blurred image as the background uh image for the footer so we can see what it looks like to see if it does match the header.
I can't understand what you want with footer and header.
Um can we put the blurred image for the footer background
No, you can do it.
just to see what it looks like?
Do you have that image?
I can get it. It's in one of my repositories. Let me check.
We always go to your CSS and add link to image from background image URL.
Hello? Hello?
How to download image? Hello, John.
I'm here. Yeah, my Hangouts keeps disconnecting. It's okay. I'm back though.
Do
It
you
disconnected
download
again.
image to image folder, or you can, or you will to do it
I'll download it now. Or as soon as I
download
find it.
download?
I know I have it because I have the Creative Tim that template downloaded. So I'm gonna get in my add and text editor and find it. There it is.
I can see image to for footer.
Okay, so there's the where's the image? Oh, there it is.
Maybe you can try it this day, and if you have some trouble, you can type me on Facebook or group. Uh, do you have any question?
No, not really. Thanks for all the help though. We're definitely getting this done. Just about there. As soon as this footage finished, then we can launch the site. Is this on your GitHub repository? Is this like all saved? Are you gonna upload this to your GitHub?
I hope you will be used git plus for atom, and learn command git clone, git push, git pull, and then your download will be more fast. Okay,
Okay.
I stop
Yeah, I was listening
translation.
to you.
Happy coding, and see you again.
All
Maybe
right, bro. I'll see you later. You have a good rest of your day, and maybe I'll see you like next week or next event.
maybe next event at 2 weeks. Every week it
Okay, sweet.
2 week. Okay.